Your dreams are more than random images, they are messages from your subconscious. Dreams are messengers of the subconscious mind. Learn how to interpret their deeper meaning and uncover the wisdom that lies within. Every night as you sleep, your subconscious mind speaks to you through dreams. These messages may be symbolic, emotional, or even cryptic, but they are deeply personal. Understanding your dreams means listening to your inner mind and unlocking hidden truths about yourself. Your dreams are not random, they are profound expressions of the subconscious mind and the soul's desire to be heard. They carry wisdom, warnings, and healing. How dreams reflect the subconscious. Emotional echoes. Dreams often reflect emotional states suppressed during the day. Unresolved energy. Recurring themes point to life lessons or unresolved inner conflicts. Symbolic storytelling. The subconscious speaks in images, not logic learned to read its language. How to listen. Trusting what you feel in the dream is the key to the meaning. Don't analyze immediately, receive first, then reflect. Meditate on dream images during the day. What do they stir in your spirit? The role of the subconscious in dreaming. Acts as a repository of hidden desires, fears, and memories. Uses dreams as a safe space for emotional processing and problem-solving. Communicates through metaphors, not literal language. How to tune in. Reflect on emotions in the dream, not just the storyline. Identify recurring themes or symbols. Use dream journaling to track patterns over time. Every night, as you drift into slumber, your subconscious springs to life, weaving its intricate tapestry of symbols and emotions. The dreams that unfold are not mere fantasies but rather vital messages echoing your deepest fears and aspirations. Embrace this nightly visitor. It's an invitation to delve into the rich landscape of your soul's wisdom. As you awaken each morning, take a moment to reflect and capture those fleeting visions before they slip away. By doing so, you begin to invite clarity into the dream's narrative, fostering a profound connection with your inner self. Your dreams carry a unique power, whispering truths that may otherwise remain hidden in the daylight. They reflect the emotional echoes of your daily life, showcasing feelings that you often suppress or overlook. A dream might surface unresolved energy, urging you to confront an inner conflict or embrace a lesson yet to be learned. By untangling the threads of these dream narratives, you can find insights about your current emotional state and unlock paths to personal transformation. Take time to ponder the images and sensations that arise during your dreaming hours, for they serve as important signposts along your journey to self-discovery. To truly harness the power of your dreams, consider keeping a dream journal. Each morning, jot down your dreams in detail, capturing even the most elusive moments and feelings. Over time, patterns will emerge, revealing the recurring symbols and themes that resonate with your subconscious. This practice not only enhances memory but also fosters a deeper awareness of your internal landscape. Reflect on what each dream means to you personally. Every dream is a personal message, waiting to be uncovered. Through consistent journaling, you build a bridge to your psyche, allowing the wisdom of your dreams to illuminate your waking life. Trust in this process as you navigate the rich symbolism your dreams present, guiding you toward profound insights that shape your journey forward. Through your dreams, you are not only tapping into hidden desires but also engaging in a dialogue with the deeper aspects of your psyche. Each image and emotion holds significance. They are metaphors crafted by your subconscious, asking you to acknowledge truths that may lie beneath the surface. As you explore these messages, allow yourself the time to meditate on the feelings stirred within you, for therein lies the key to understanding your true self. In summary, your dreams serve as powerful conduits to your subconscious, urging you to explore your inner world and unleash the wisdom contained within. By embracing the messages they convey, you cultivate a deeper connection to yourself, nurturing both healing and personal growth. Truly, dreams illuminate the path towards self-discovery. Dreams offer a direct connection to your subconscious mind. By listening closely and interpreting wisely, you can receive powerful guidance from within. By tuning into your dreams, you are tuning into your true self. Let them guide you gently toward healing, growth, and a deeper understanding of your purpose. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.